back to a new video on the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video will be System Test 35. This will be an all-system sensor theme, by the way. Mainly advances, L Series, 1 Classic, and 1 Genesis. I'll explain why the Genesis and the Classic in a sec. Alright, so let's do this thing. We got the Firelight BG12L, System Sensor 2400. We got the SR. We got the HR. Got the same Genesis in the closet because I don't have two more remote strobes to put up from System Sensor, which is a big rip. We've got the Firelight BG12, just regular BG12, i3, P2R. We got Bonnie the dog. She's a good girl. Alright, going to the bathroom. Here's what a Classic is. Alright, so, we've got the i3 here. The second i3 is still in the closet. We got the BG12LX by Notifier. We got the SRL and the P4RL. So they're all set on low volume code 3, but they're not going to sync, unfortunately. So let's do this thing. Okay, so now we're going to go out to the Firelight BG12L in the hallway. Excuse me. Feeling a little or not, like burping today. That's fun. Alright, let's do this thing. Okay, I'm gonna grab this thing just so we can do the i3 in the closet. Okay, off to the final pull station, the just regular BG12. Whoa, okay. Okay. There we go. Okay, and finally, we're off to the closet i3. Got the thing right there. And let's do this. Okay, so that should be everything. Finish this short little video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!